Warm up number 25, power standard 7 and 8. Starting with power standard 7. Write the equation for this table, and we have to show our thinking. So of course, we're always looking at what do we do to 1 to get negative 1? What do we do to 2 to get 0? What do we do to 3 to get 1? What do we do to 4 to get 2? Well, you know, we could say, hey, we're multiplying by negative 1, but that doesn't work here. If we're multiplying by 0, that doesn't work here. But if you take 1 and you subtract 2, you get a negative 1. If you take 2 and subtract 2, you get 0. And you can see that works all the way down. So what are we doing to x to get y? Well, we're subtracting 2. So our equation, because we always start function with y equals, to get y, we're going to take whatever our x value is and subtract 2. Power standard 8 wants us to translate. So we're going 5 up and to the left. So if I look here, maybe at this point, if I count up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go left 2, 1, 2, I end up here. If I do the same for this point, if I count up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left 2, I get this point. And you can kind of keep doing it with all of them. Okay, and as you start to build this, because it's a translation, remember, it should look exactly the same shape, same size. Just human error. I'm going to see, like, from this point here to this one, I'm actually going down 2 into the left one. So I'm going to kind of take that little cheat right there. And then that's 2 units over left, up 2. And what we see is a figure that, if you square a little bit, looks exactly the same. One last thing to show you, just remember always with coordinate notation looks like this. We're going to take our original point and we're going to move it. So since the x coordinate comes first, I'm actually going to look at this 2 left. If I'm going to the left, I'm going to subtract 2. And if I'm going 5 up, then I'm actually adding 5 units to my y. So if we take our original point right here, which was 6, negative 1, and apply our coordinate notation, 6 minus 2, negative 1 plus 5, we get 4, 4. And if you look, the point 4, 4 is where it ends up. So just another way to do translation